unboxing. As usual, what do we usually do?
Guess what it is?
Can anybody guess by the cars I have out here what this car could possibly be?
Maybe either another Kraton or another Italian.
I said another crate.
Another Kraton?
Yeah.
Okay. Kraton. That's it, Kraton?
Yeah.
Either a Kraton or another Italian.
Okay. So either one of those.
Either.
I'm gonna go with Italian.
What I have out is two Kratons, Italian, EXB, which is the same length as the Kraton. This is the short wheelbase version, and this is the Outcast EXB, but I put the Notorious body on it. This is obviously the Outcast 8S, EXB, Kraton 8S, EXB. So we have 4 EXBs, 2 Kratons. Any other ideas, maybe?
It's probably the
Maybe another EXB.
Italian EXB. It could be a Kronos, because I
This
know
is the V4 Kraton. This is the V5 Kraton.
it's got to be another crate. That's my final word.
So Kraton, you say what?
Kraton.
Kraton.
Italian.
Italian. So everybody sticking with the same thing?
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you saying EXB? No EXB? What are you saying?
Hmm.
Be Kraton EXB.
EXB.
Oh, well, yeah, EXB.
Well, first off, this is my Kraton V5. It's got the red body. Slowly turning it red. Red wheel nuts, red wheels. I threw in the EXB braces. I got the shock towers right here. And changing up some of the other stuff. This is my EXB dash body, which I throw on the car when I want it black. But this is my blue Kraton, and it is the V4, and that's the blue bash body. But I also have a brand new body to do it justice. And there's the inside. I threw a Torox ESC, which I'm going to throw into there, and I'll probably swap out the servos and go from there. She's got a 15 tooth pinion. I put some regular gray silver chassis braces in it, and I'm going to probably throw a Max 8 in this. Let's see what we got in the box. See how many people are right and how many people are wrong.
EXB roller. Beautiful.
Nice.
It is beautiful. Wow.
Let's go for this for today. It's got all this wonderful stuff on the back. I'm like, where's the remote? There is no remote. Killer wheels, they're a little bigger than the original Kratons. Tires, wheels, yeah, Kaiju wheels, awesome. So compared to the 8S Kraton, roller body, there's the 6S Kraton. Same size as all the other Kratons.